Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Christmas-themed scene featuring a cozy, welcoming front porch at night. The focal point is a rich burgundy door adorned with a lush wreath decorated with a bright red bough, evoking a warm festive spirit. Flanking the door are two elegantly lit lanterns casting a soft yellow glow, illuminating the surrounding areas. Each side of the porch features small evergreen trees, strung with twinkling white lights, adding a magical touch. The porch is blanketed in a light dusting of fresh snow, contributing to the serene winter atmosphere. The color palette includes deep reds, warm yellows, and cool whites, creating a harmonious contrast. Front porch decorated for Christmas in a cozy, inviting style. The scene features a rustic wooden door adorned with a lush green wreath and festive red bows. Surrounding the door are warm, glowing lanterns that cast a soft light against the wood, enhancing the nostalgic atmosphere. Snow blankets the ground, adding a serene winter touch. To one side, a vintage wooden sled is filled with pine cones and wrapped gifts, while nearby, potted evergreen plants with red ribbons and candles create an enchanting display. The porch is festively draped with garlands and twinkling string lights, presenting a blend of warm golds and deep greens, complemented by the rich browns of the wood. Cozy winter scene depicting a rustic wooden cabin entrance adorned for Christmas, emphasizing a hyperrealistic aesthetic. The scene features a large, wooden door framed by lush green garlands and vibrant red bows. Two round wreaths decorated with twinkling lights are hung on either side of the door. Surrounding the entrance are tall evergreen trees draped in ornaments and lights, creating a festive atmosphere. Flanking the path are vintage lanterns casting a warm glow, along with wicker baskets filled with decorative pine cones and ornaments. Cozy winter scene featuring a charming two-story house adorned with holiday lights, set against a serene snowy landscape. The house has a blue and gray exterior with a welcoming front porch, decorated with a festive wreath on the door and subtle light accents around the windows. Soft, glowing yellow lights illuminate the porch and outline the roof, creating a warm ambience. Snow blankets the ground and clings to the branches of nearby trees, enhancing the tranquil, picturesque quality of the atmosphere. Cozy and inviting living room scene, featuring a large, plush sectional sofa with light beige upholstery, complemented by neutral throw pillows. A round wooden coffee table centered on a patterned area rug. A beautifully decorated Christmas tree adorned with warm golden lights and ornaments stands nearby, adding a festive touch. The stone fireplace is the focal point, embellished with garlands and stockings hung from the mantel, with a warm fire crackling inside. Large windows frame the snowy outdoor landscape, enhancing the bright, airy ambience. Cozy winter living room with a beautifully decorated Christmas tree adorned with copper and gold ornaments, situated beside a rustic stone fireplace that crackles with a warm fire. The setting features large windows showcasing a snowy forest outside, accentuating a serene, tranquil atmosphere. Natural wood flooring complements the earthy tones of the room, while the neutral color palette incorporates soft browns, deep greens, and hints of copper. A plush brown sofa with decorative cushions invites relaxation, along with a soft area rug underfoot. A cozy wooden cabin in a winter setting, adorned with glowing fairy lights and festive decorations. The scene captures the warmth of a Christmas atmosphere, showcasing wreaths on the windows and a beautifully decorated porch. Snow blankets the ground and the roof, creating a serene, tranquil ambience, while the trees in the background stand bare against a soft, overcast sky. The color palette features warm yellows from the lights, deep reds from the wreaths and flowers, and soft whites and grays from the snow and cabin. Cozy winter living room scene featuring a beautifully decorated Christmas tree with warm copper ornaments, surrounded by neatly wrapped gift boxes in soft, neutral tones. The stone fireplace has a roaring fire, adding a glow and warmth to the space. Large windows reveal a snowy landscape outside, bringing in natural light and enhancing the inviting atmosphere. The furniture is modern yet comfortable, with a dark gray sofa and a rich copper ottoman. Spacious modern living room with large high windows, showcasing a snowy forest outside, evoking a serene winter atmosphere. The room features a cozy, neutral color palette with soft whites, creams, and natural wood tones. A plush sectional sofa adorned with textured throw pillows sits invitingly, while a rustic wooden coffee table is adorned with greenery. A massive stone fireplace, set in the center, radiates warmth with a crackling fire, flanked by elegant wall sconces. In the corner, a beautifully decorated Christmas tree with shimmering ornaments and fairy lights adds a festive touch, complemented by a soft, fluffy area rug underfoot. Cozy and elegantly arranged living room during the holiday season, featuring a lush green Christmas tree adorned with gold and white ornaments, set against walls painted in a soft, warm beige. A large window allows natural light to fill the space, highlighting the rich tones of the wooden floor. A plush cream sofa, decorated with an array of patterned throw pillows, sits adjacent to a stylish armchair with a relaxed silhouette. In front of the tree, neatly wrapped gifts in various sizes are scattered, while decorative lanterns provide soft illumination. A cozy, festive hallway adorned with Christmas decorations, featuring a rustic wooden structure. The space is illuminated by warm, glowing fairy lights strung across the ceiling, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Lush green wreaths with red bows frame the entrance and line the walls. Evergreen garlands embellished with bright red ribbons cascade down, while vintage lanterns cast a soft glow. At the end of the hallway, an open door reveals a snowy landscape outside, enhancing the seasonal charm. cozy winter scene featuring a rustic brick fireplace adorned with 5 large woven stockings hanging from a wooden mantel. Overhead, a lush green garland intertwined with warm white fairy lights creates a festive atmosphere. A circular evergreen wreath with twinkling lights is mounted on a dark wall, enhancing the holiday spirit. The hearth is filled with pine cones, and decorative lanterns create a warm glow.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.